Hello, I'm finally back with another video, and I'm going to show you my remote start kit that I'm installing on my website and how to install it. There will be a detailed PDF in each install, or on my website you could download from. So there's that, but I just want to go do an overview. So this kit utilizes a T-harness, so it will be a simple plug and play install. There's no wire splicing. Super easy. And then it utilizes sorry about my messy car, a 410 module with special software since they do not support our vehicles. Okay, and so you're gonna press on each tab right here. There's one on each side. Okay, disconnect the battery is always the best. And then you see these three, we're gonna unplug these, and that is and we're gonna plug in our harness. And this is a harness, color coded, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So there is a tab, you can't really see, there's a tab at the end on the left side that you just press in and then it should just pull out. There's that one, there's that one, and there's this one. See? So those are all three of them. Okay, now we're gonna take the screen one, we're gonna plug it in right here. You'll hear it click. Keep this harness all nice and clean. Let's do this white one next. Plugged in, and then we'll do the blue one. Okay, now we could tuck these back up in here, and then we'll plug these back into the factory BCM locations. Okay, you'll hear them click, so okay. Now we got this last one. Okay, now that those are all plugged in, you take your wires over here, and we'll plug in this black one first, and that one will go, oh, that's the wrong black one. This one right here, plug in right here, and then this one we'll plug in right here. And then we'll go to this side and plug in this white one. And then we'll plug in this red one. Okay, now that that's all plugged in, let's just start it. And I've already programmed this one. You have to program them to copy your key data, and that will be in the install directions. But let's just go over and try the remote start now. Okay, to activate the remote start, you have your lock button and you're going to hit that 3 times. And you're just going to give it a second. And you see now it has started. Oh, go ahead and unlock it. And you can program this to auto turn on your heated seats depending on how cold it is. Will auto turn on your defrost. There's a lot of things you could do with it, and so it's a really nice kit. And then you can tell it's working. So then we'll just tuck this back up and probably zip tie it to the frame right here, or however you want it. That's completely up to you. But that's it. And this is for an optional RF kit for a longer range. I don't have that on my site yet, but I probably will here soon. And then once you're in it, you have your key and everything works. But if you don't have your key and you try to go, it will automatically kill the engine, and so someone couldn't just come steal your car. But that's the kit. Thank you very much for watching, and check out my website and you could buy it on there. Thank you very much.